Okay, hey, good morning, guys. So, look at that. I just got tagged in on a trade over here. The reason why I am taking a trade over here is because of I see multiple confluences. First of all, we had this break of structure to the downside on the 15, so I kind of thought we were bearish, but as you can see, break of structures to the downside. Then we have a break of structure towards the upside. As you can see, this is a huge. I mean, you can tell this is a strong trend because we closed with the body instead of wicks. So now I just waited for, a 50 sorry, 25% retracement. Like I said, every time you draw a zone from the low to the high, you always want to enter in the 50% because you're expecting this level to hold. That's why we're entering on the 20, sorry, on the 25%. So I did enter on the 25%. This is the 5 minute. And like I said, we are targeted in this high over here. So that's pretty much why I took this trade. Now I was just pretty much waiting for waiting for the trade to play out. But if you go to, lower time frames, what you're seeing over here is kind of crazy because it looks like this 50 minute. No, let's go back over here. So I just don't know which side is going to hold because on the 50 minute, we had, like I said, we had this breaker structure. The market came back to retest it. This would have been a 25% move because if we draw this tool, exactly. So this should be the 25% move. But it looks like the market just came back to tap and now it's pushing back down. Now, like I said, we don't know if this is going to hold. So it's always one of those things because on the 5 minute, we have the strong breaker structure to the upside. So that's why I take a buy here. But and so it's one of those ones, like I said, we don't really know. I don't know. And it's been good to see you decide, but it happens. That's pretty much it. Now we just gotta wait for the trade to play out. So, because I know this is gonna take forever to play out, I'm just gonna leave this here and I'm gonna update you guys halfway through the trade if it's working out. If it's not working out, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Okay, so as you guys can see, the market has started to push back up, but I'm having a dilemma because on the 5 minute, we just took out this low. So I don't know if the market is gonna, is it gonna use that to push back down, but I don't know if it's gonna continue pushing up. Well, like I said, I'm expecting, a whole push back up to the upside. I don't know how the 50 minutes is kind of against this. I don't know. I'm still kind of waiting to see what the market's verdict is going to be. But like I said, I just don't like that. I just want to keep you guys updated with what's going on. So that's pretty much everything that's going on right now. As you can see, market's starting to push up, and I'll keep you guys updated with how it plays out as soon as we're getting closer to TP. Okay. Okay, guys. As you guys can see, quick update again. We're still waiting. Like I said, the good thing is I think that's so I'm gonna start making a video like I'm testing this out. That's why I'm trading this on the 5 minute because I'm trying to see. I want to create an edge with you guys. I'm gonna document everything on YouTube as well. I want to see if it's gonna work. Trading from a higher time frame. Usually I'm trading on the 2 minute, but I want to try it out on the higher time frame. So as you guys can see, entered on the 20.25, which is something I've started because I've done some amount of back testing and I've noticed every time from a good range if you enter from 0.25 entry, it's not a bad entry at all. Now you just have to wait for the market to go in the direction you want the market to go in. You're thinking the market is going to go in. So on this one, what would you call this one? High, low, higher, high. So you draw from the high, low to the high, high. Now you get in right there. As you can see, at one point, market came close, but we keep holding. We didn't cut the trade short. So now we're seeing the market push back up in the other direction. So that's pretty much what we want to see. As you can see, we got close to TP over there, but like I said, the market is trying to play games again. But like I said, I'll keep you guys updated as soon as we're getting really close to the TP, so you guys can see me do this. And I hope you guys, enjoyed nothing crazy. As you guys can see, the risk was initially $200. Now it's 175 at this low because if the market does come back down to this low, means it's going to be invalid. So proper risk, guys, and like I said, I'll keep you guys updated on what happens. Okay, so another update that happened, as you can see, we got pretty close, then the market dropped down again. Like I said, I don't know what the market is intending on doing. My stop loss is here. I don't think I'm going to move it to break even because sometimes the market can come back down to this overbeat and push back up. But quite frankly, I'm fine with losing 175, knowing that I was wrong on this trade. So, then, like I said, the pushback down. I'm just pretty much waiting to see what the markets do. Usually, on the 5 minute, all you have to do is wait because it's 5 minutes for every single candle. So now we're pretty much just waiting and seeing what this decides to do. Um, on the 2 minute, there is an order block over here that the market came back to. We also did get a 0.25% entry over here. See, if you, this would have been a second entry for people who are taking second trades. Um, and, you can just go ahead and for this new trade, you can just go ahead and target this high, or if you want to make more, target the overall high. But like I said, it just comes down to what time frame you are trading. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'll keep you guys updated again. Okay, as you guys can see, look at that. A bunch of rubbish just pretty much happened. The market pushed up, came back down. There wasn't enough momentum here to take the market higher. Now at this stage, I think it would just be safer to get out because I mean honestly, except the market is all of a sudden going to push all the way from over here. But if I'm looking at a 15 minute, I just don't see it. If anything, I just see the more bearish momentum to the downside. So I think the best thing would just probably be to get out because we have been in this trade for a while. Plus, look, now we look at the candles we were getting and look at the kind of candles we're starting to get. So I'm just gonna exit this trade. But I mean, that was it, guys. This trade didn't really pan out. It didn't really do anything for us. Um, so I mean, I guess that's it. If I do see any other trades, I will keep you guys updated if I do take any other trades. Thank you for watching. You have a good day.